Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. I am back in Arizona, which means it's already time to get my van ready for the fall and the winter. I am done doing extensive traveling for probably the next year or so, and I'm going to remain in Arizona. I'm going to spend my fall in Flagstaff and my winter in Quartzsite. So even though I just got back yesterday, I've already gotten started on changes, so I want to show you guys what's up. Recently I noticed that a couple of the things I was pulling out of my bottom drawer were smelling like apples, which is the scent of my Dawn Power Wash spray that was leaking. And yeah, it leaked into my bottom drawer, so that's why my stuff has been smelling like apples. I mean, it could definitely be a heck of a lot worse, but so I took this opportunity to take the things out of my drawer. I'm going to just wipe it down with some Lysol wipes, and I got rid of some trash as well, so you know, could be worse. Gives me an opportunity to clean it. I got a second slim storage cart, so this is the one from Amazon that I already have in my van, but I got a second one to put together to go next to, hey Bubba, my other one, so I'm putting it together without the wheels. It does come with wheels, but I'm not going to use them. I don't have them on the other shelf, so I'm not going to put them on this one, but then I'm going to attach the two tiered carts and see how it turns out. What do you have, Bubba? You have a toy? Bring me my toy. You're silly. So, turns out the shelves worked really well. So here are the two slim shelves now on the side of my Grand Caravan. What I did was I zip tied them at 4 different places to secure it. Right now it's kind of stuck in there. It's pretty secure for the most part right now, but I also have it sitting on this little piece of wood that I bought from Home Depot. It needed just like a little bit extra, so I kind of stuck it in there and just put the shelf on top of it because it was leaning. Now it's literally perfect. That was my brother's idea, so I'll credit him with that, but I think this is going to work out great. Things are coming along pretty nicely. I bought this new rug today at Hobby Lobby for $4. I can't decide if I like it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I got my fridge. I wiped it down and everything. It was pretty gross inside, so I wiped it down and cleaned it out. I'm washing my blankets and things like that, so... And then the shelves are looking really good over there. My driveway's at a bit of an angle, so my bed is at a bit of an angle as well, but everything is going to fit perfectly, I think, in those shelves over there, so that'll be good. I'm really digging it. It's looking great. And I got everything cleaned out over here, including that bottom drawer. I did my coffee drawer as well, and then I took out all my clothes to clean them and stuff, so right now I just have towels up here in the top. So progress is being made. I also want to remind you guys that I have stickers for sale, Adventuring with Amanda stickers, in my store shop. So this is what they look like. They're really nice, high quality stickers. You can put it on anything. I put one on my fridge, I have one on my notebook, I have one on my laptop, anywhere. So Adventuring with Amanda, get your sticker. Of course, all proceeds help Winston and I with gas, food, and all of those types of expenses. So if you already purchased one from us, thank you so much. We love you. And if you haven't, go get yours now. I will be sending out stickers tomorrow. Wow, it looks like it might rain. I don't know. It's probably going to miss us because it always misses us when I'm back in Arizona. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in to this video of Adventuring with Amanda. Be sure to like and subscribe, and Winston and I will see you next time.